San Diego leaders say the president's so-called Big Beautiful Bill threatens funding for essential county services.
CBS 8's Alex Lai shares the direct impact some say the cuts could have on our programs.
Thousands of San Diegans could be impacted from federal funding cuts in this bill. And today, 2 supervisors announced exactly what local programs are at risk and how they hope to prepare.
We know this is coming. We got to make a plan.
Supervisor Montgomery Steppe and Acting Chair Lawson-Remer say the county may have to shoulder costs for programs normally covered by the federal government if the proposed bill passes. Medi-Cal, behavioral health care, and even hospitals could lose critical funding and cost the county tens of millions of dollars to maintain.
That's people who won't be able to see a doctor when they're sick. People who end up dying of cancer because they can't get in to get a mammogram. It's horrible and totally unjust and really heartbreaking.
Other services like CalFresh, homelessness programs, and housing assistance could also be impacted.
We will see it in growing encampments. We will see it in overwhelmed ERs and families being pushed out of their homes.
While most cuts would go into effect in the new year, supervisors say planning can't wait. They unveiled a 2-step plan. First, a readiness assessment to evaluate staffing and operations.
We're asking the team to take a really careful look at what do we need to do to be ready, and then come back with a sketch of what's the staffing implications, what are the operational implications.
Then in September, a full fiscal analysis.
So that we can look at how much we may be in the hole, how much we may not be receiving from the federal government, and how are we going to either make our systems more efficient or have a backstop for that funding.
Last month, a proposal to use county reserves was shot down by Supervisor Jim Desmond, but Montgomery Steppe and Lawson-Remer are hoping to revisit the idea.
It is the quintessential rainy day, and it is raining, and we need to utilize the funds that are sitting in a bank account right now.
We reached out to Supervisors Desmond and Anderson for comment, but have not heard back. Lawson-Remer and Montgomery Steppe will formally present their proposal at next week's Board of Supervisors meeting and hope they have their fellow supervisors' support. At the County Administration Building, I'm Alex Lai for CBS 8.